Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Happy 2025 Thanksgiving. We have a fresh catalog that just printed, soon to be distributed. You can email me toys@AntiqueToys.com for details, but we are celebrating the life of Brian Fabio Filiberto. He passed recently, and we're sharing his collection of steel toys Saturday, December 13th, so stay tuned for more. Cheers from Ed. Okay, so let's get into it. We have some stellar pieces from U.S. Mails to BuddyL boats to farm trucks to cast iron. And our buddy Fabio right here, you may recognize from toy shows. He's been around from Chicago through around the world. Brian Fabio Filiberto, and we miss him greatly. New York guy, Brooklyn guy, Ronkonkoma, and then ultimately Palm Beach, Florida. He will be missed. Sanitation truck is a nod to his past history. Check out MarsAuctions.com because all of these great toys are going to be on auction. Started off with a hot rod. The thought was, let's bring a little bit of fun, one of a kind. Nobody's got one like it. And we go to interesting trucks like lot number 3, Marx Steel. And then we get into box toys like Tonkas, Structo. Interesting number 8, that's a Kingsbury, which is pretty unusual. Reversing vehicles. And then Tonkas. We're going to see a lot of Tonkas and BuddyLs. BuddyL right there. Good looking police patrol. And a little bit of a, I don't know what we're going to call it. Little hidden gem on that page. And myself, I'm a big fan of these BuddyL wood toys. Wartime toys have a place in my heart. Patriotic use of wood rather than steel. One of the top lots here, you've got the boat transport and an additional top lot, number 29, which is a racing car, turbine racers. And if you don't know, that's a toughie. Those cars are always missing. Those appear to be right. I'm actually a fan of quirky toys that make you smile, and those are a couple at the bottom. Gonna do a few more pages. Woo! The Florida wind is really bad today. Great looking BuddyL right there. And probably a key for a decent number of people, this missile launcher. Okay, we're getting into Tonka land. 73 is a key lot in the auction. Great looking boxed farm truck. We get farm trucks later with the more modern look, but this boat transport's off the charts. Interesting for lots of people. And then the Tonka Air Transportation, Air Express, is a top lot. The pups are very difficult to find. And gosh, the collection just keeps going with interesting and odd boat vehicles. For instance, 93 Deluxe Fisherman set. You just usually don't see that with an engine. And then this Tonka Marine Service hauler with an engine. Once again, really strong. We will be doing a bit of a fast forward. Please check out our auction online. Marz, M-A-R-Z auctions.com. We've got this catalog fully listed with a break on commission. There's a commission break on MarsAuction.com. But if you're busy or if you need your phone all the time, Live Auctioneers also has our catalog, as well as HighBid.com. And I think there's even some teasers out there at Auction Zip for people. Unusual forms like 179. Police Department, Internationals on 182, sanitation trucks, which were near and dear to Fabio's history. Structo Morse code 187, not used to that. And then if you're a connoisseur of cardboard and box art, 185 is pretty strong. That's the Skysweeper anti-aircraft with box. We're starting to work our way towards Marx land, but we have to stop at ShopRite and the US Mail. Both of those lots are quite exceptional. Happen to like the Philip at Billups and the US Mail. Again, a family favorite. Sanitation and Smith. And the catalog keeps going. We're happy to share this. We have sent out some select catalogs to great repeat customers, people that have requested it, friends, family, and toy people out there in the world. You can always contact us at toys@AntiqueToys.com, and we'll see what we can do to help you out. And I like this page. Building set, Boucher steam engine, Boucher boat, tugboat. Form I've never seen before. That kit's ready to go for this steam plant or an additional one you might have on hand. And then potentially our most expensive toy of the lot, 290G, which is New York to San Francisco, a very rare Steelcraft bus to share. We've got some folk art whimsy there. That's a hand-cranked windmill. Excuse me, a hand-cranked Ferris wheel. And then into one of our favorite categories of cast iron. The Kilgore Blue Streak is a top one to me. Fire truck's not a slouch. Aluminum dent truck is unusual. And then on this page, car carriers, 126 fire trucks, great looking Motor Express. Planes, Happy Hooligan by Kenton, a top-notch toy. And then Connoisseur's Toys, smaller race cars by Kilgore and Arcade, as well as North and Judd, very rare and an extremely rare toy, a smaller AC Williams take-apart Packard with a shovel nose. So hi once again from Ed, and I wish you great bidding on Live Auctioneers as well as MarsAuctions.com for our Fabio Filiberto collection. Again, it's coming December 13th, Saturday, 10 Eastern. And Mars Auctions, in conjunction with myself, Ed, over at AntiqueToys.com, we'll have these on multiple bid platforms so that we can share Fabio's legacy, remember him, and also enjoy some great toys for the next generation. Cheers from Ed. Have a great day. Toys@AntiqueToys.com.